Hello guys, after winter break 2025 I found it, my Stihl FS400 with broken petrol pump. You can see here is the hole. I tried today to fix this issue and start the machine first time in year 2025. Let's open the cover for filter box. I try to open or remove this filter. After removing the filter, I try to loose these two nuts for the filter box housing. For this kind of fixture, I like this tool from Vera. It's perfect. One screw is also on the right side down. Before you remove the filter box housing, don't forget to close the choke, because some dirt can fall in your carburetor and you don't feel it. Okay, let's try to open this. Okay, now we can very comfortable change the pump. I just pushed up the fuel pump from this side out, and now I try to remove the fuel lines. This was the position of the fuel pump. That means the bigger one was of the downside and the smaller one on the top side. Here can we check the function of the choke. It's open position, close position. But when I make the maintenance, I like the close position for the protecting of the engine. I bought the new one, new pump. It cost about €9. The dealership of Stihl. And let's try to put back, and I will try to start this machine. Only for interesting, also the old pump was made in China. After reinstall of the bottom pipe, I push back the pump, and now I correct this fuel line in the real position. After then I plug in the top pipe and I try to start this machine. Both tubes are now in the position. Let's try the function of the pump. Okay, we have fuel. I don't see and don't smell any leakage. Seems like everything is fine. Now I put everything back and I try to start this machine. Okay, rework is now done. Before this I didn't start, I didn't try. Now we will see how it works. Start button in the start position, choke on. I try one more time to pump. You can see the exhaust is cold, and let's try. Good engine. I try one more time. issue is fixed. Costs about €9, time 30 minutes, but I'm not Stihl technician. I didn't work by Stihl. I'm just fan of this mark and I made it by myself. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching.